Rights of the child. It is the right of your child to know that he is from you, and with all his virtue and vice, is connected to you in this world, and you are responsible for instructing him in good manners, guiding him towards his Lord, helping him follow his commands, which concern you or him, and you will be rewarded or punished according to your success or failure in this guidance. Rights of the brother. It is the right of your brother to appreciate that he is your hand which you extend, and your back support which you recline upon, and your strength which you rely on, and your power by which you attack your enemies. Do not shirk from assisting him against his own self, that is, warning him to desist from evils, and giving him sincere advice, and going forward to him for the sake of Allah. Rights of the spouse. It is incumbent upon both of you to thank Allah for your partner, and to know that, the spouse, is a grace of Allah upon you, and it is obligatory to have good fellowship with this grace of Allah, your wife, and to respect her and be kind to her. The specific examples above give us an insight into the rights of individual people. There is one more group of people we should look at: our elders, not necessarily only parents. Respect to your elders is also a very important concept. Elders are not just old people, but people who have done their share for the community. They have worked hard, and it is thanks to them that we have all the things around us today. Is it fair that when they are too old to work, that we should forget them and send them away to old people's homes like other cultures do? We must not only respect our elders, but thank them and listen to their advice. No matter how much we know, our elders have had experience, and Imam Ali, peace be on him, has said, "What is better than knowledge is experience." Allah tells us that the best ornaments of a community are its elderly people. They are the cause of so many blessings that if the younger people knew how much Allah loves the elderly, they would never leave them alone for even a moment.